Pirate Studio. Hello my friend, welcome to Pirate Studio. I'm Pirate. What I need to repair today is that the gas stove cannot be ignited. How to deal with this kind of a problem? Actually, it's not too difficult. Just check with us and you can fix it. Try it together, here we go. Can't lie on the right side of the gas stove. But you can see the electric shock. The fire won't light, so let's take it apart. The nozzle is not easy to disassemble. The metal is rusted. The only way is to pry it away slowly. God, I took it down. Now dismantle the other one. Finally, I take it down. Now loosen the screws. Because these screws are rusty, they are not easy to remove. I take an impact screwdriver to assist. But they are very rusty and difficult to handle. Finally, I took it down. Remove the rubber pad. Try the effector of the igniter. Remove the ignition knob directly. The glass countertop can be removed now. Oh my goodness, it's a bit dirty. Clean it with a vacuum cleaner. The poor cockroach will also suck it in. Remove the igniter. Use needle nose plier to remove the connector. It's a bit tight. Remove the high voltage wire. Remove the electronic igniter. It's not difficult at all, is it? This is a bit dirty. Install a new igniter. Lock the screws according to the original position. Remove the ignition needle to install the high voltage wire. The needle must be inserted into the copper wire to conduct smoothly. Install the ignition needle. Test the igniter. Cannot ignite. The power cord may be installed upside down. There is a shock, so it works. Now install the other side. Insert the ignition needle into the high voltage wire in the same way. Take a shock test. There are electric shocks on both sides. Everything is normal now. Attach the gut plate. Tighten the screws. Simply clean the panel. Cover the countertop. Put on the hobs. Put on the fixing metal pins and tighten the screws. Install the burner nozzle. Then ready for the final test. I can't wait to do the test. Great! It's on fire! Try another side. Try a few more times and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirate King Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
我们那已经用20，
那你家的为什么没有坏掉？
还没坏而已吧，还修好要比一下，修好。
要配